Hello, this is Cinema 4D Quick Tips, and today we will show you how to simulate the dynamics of collision of two animated objects. Open the Asset Browser by clicking on the Asset Browser logo. Search for plane. Drag and drop the toy plane 01 into the viewport and close the Asset Browser. Click on the Scale Tool logo and scale up the plane by dragging the mouse to the right or up with the left button pressed. Right-click on the toy plane 01 in the Object Manager, select Bullet Text, and click on Rigid Body. Now, if you press the play button in the animation toolbar, the object will not only fall down, as happens with any object to which the Rigid Body tag is applied, but will also shatter into pieces. This occurs because the object is made up of several parts that press on each other. Stop the animation and go to the start of the timeline. To make the explosion and fall effects only happen after a collision with another object, click on the Dynamics Body expression, go to the Dynamics tab, and set the trigger property to On Collision. Click on the Move Tool logo and drag the plane 01 along the Z-axis. Duplicate the plane 01 by dragging it against the Z-axis while holding down the Ctrl key, and rename the copy to Toy Plane 02. Go to the Coordinates tab of the Toy Plane 02 and type 180 in RH field to rotate the plane by 180 degrees around the Y-axis. Now let's simulate a collision between two planes. To make the animation more interesting, drag the Toy Plane 02 a little to the left side, click on the Rotate Tool logo and turn it slightly to the right, so that it intersects the path of the first plane. To animate the scene, click on the Move Tool logo, make sure that the Toy Plane 02 is selected in the Object Manager and time slider is at frame 0. Click on the Record Active Objects logo to create the first keyframe of the Toy Plane 02 animation. Move the time slider to frame 90. Drag the Toy Plane 02 along the Z-axis towards another plane, and click on the Record Active Objects logo to create the second keyframe of the Toy Plane 02 animation. Then select the Toy Plane 01 in the Object Manager. Move the time slider to frame 0. Click on the Record Active Objects logo to create the first keyframe of the Toy Plane 01 animation. Move the time slider to frame 90. Drag the Toy Plane 01 along the Z-axis towards the center of the viewport and further, and click on the Record Active Objects logo to create the second keyframe of the Toy Plane 01 animation. Finally, go to the start of the timeline and press the play button in the animation toolbar. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and put your finger up.